this is the weekly planning for the online. It's really cool. Like, see, there's a week, like right here, week of September 2018, and there's the lesson chapter 1, lesson food chain, I'm hungry, and it just kind of talks about, you can put which day it is, and then you can actually print it out weekly, and I have like the first month or two already. See, there's math and science and language extensions and language arts. Here's a good bit, but I think that we can do it, and we can work it in weekly. There's like a total of 8 activities and 7 activities, like 8 activities in math and 8 activities a week in language arts and language arts extensions, which seems to be one of our favorites. There's 7, and science there's normally 1 a week, so I think we can work with that. So that is the online, and I can actually, like you see, you can print it off, and I'm gonna print it off at least a month's worth when I get my printer set up. But so that is the extent of the online planning. And she's already started completing like the first, I think, 3 language arts and math already. And she actually did a quiz too, so there's quizzes after each lesson, so I mean, they have to do a quiz each time, so I think that's pretty cool, and make sure that they learn it. And if they don't know it, they can, go back and study the lesson again, and before they take the quiz, so that they can make a good grade, and they understand it properly. But time for learning. I will show you before I get off, I will show you exactly what it looks like. See, foreign languages, they have that as an option, but I'm not doing that. This is the parent setting, but see, getting started, managing students, lesson plans, and see, look, there's the lessons. Like, say, go to 2nd grade, language arts extensions, and push it, and you can actually browse through it as a parent before they do it. She actually did the first couple ones, so that little yellow dot means she did it. And there's actually worksheets to go with it, and I'm gonna print them off when I get the printer set up, and there's still a month left before we have to officially start, but like, say, I'll push on, for example, the helpful spider read along. They will read it to the child, and then at the end, the child will have to read it. So here's pushing 1.
The helpful spiders.
Read
the title and look at the picture. What do you think this story is about? It was a bright, sunny morning.
I love that.
Sammy and Susie Spider
make sure that
ran across the grass
child can read along.
And climbed onto the rose bush. Watch out! Mrs. Plum might get you with her bug spray, said Sammy.
Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, and at the end, they have questions and quizzes, and so that's spiders, and that just gives you an idea of what we are going to be doing this year. Bye.